Welcome back to another unboxing video. We are looking at Ratatouille, the 4K Steelbook put out by Best Buy. It includes the 4K UHD disc, a Blu-ray copy, as well as a digital code that works with Movies Anywhere. There's a look at the cover, the spine, the opening, which is just a solid color, the reverse, and this is a J card that wraps around the back and front. HDR format is HDR10. Audio format is Dolby Atmos. Gonna work this J card off here. And that's the reverse artwork. Looks like Ratatouille is embossed. Disney Pixar is flat. Actually, this is embossed as well, that little chef's hat. I'm going to go ahead and pull out that Movies Anywhere code. And we will take a look inside. There we go. 4K UHD disc on top. Blu-ray underneath. And that background artwork. That has been a look at Ratatouille, the 4K Steelbook. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos.